Are you ready to give your Minecraft world a stunning new look? In today's video, we're going to show you one of the most beautiful and magical texture packs out there, the Mythic Resource Pack. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Watch till the end to see how amazing your game can look with this pack. The link to this texture pack is in the description below, so stay tuned. If you love Minecraft and want to make your game look more exciting and magical, then the Mythic Resource Pack is perfect for you. This texture pack gives Minecraft a dark fantasy style with detailed and artistic textures. It makes the game look more like a fantasy world, full of mystery and adventure. The Mythic Resource Pack changes the look of blocks, items, and mobs to make them more realistic and beautiful. The textures are made in a hand-painted style, which means they look like they were painted by an artist. This gives the game a unique and rich look that many players enjoy. One of the best things about the Mythic Resource Pack is that it works with most versions of Minecraft. It supports both newer and older versions, so you don't have to worry if your Minecraft is not updated to the latest version. It also works well with shaders, which means you can use it to make your world look even better with lighting and shadow effects. Whether you're building castles, exploring caves, or fighting mobs, the Mythic Resource Pack makes every part of the game look more detailed and fun. It's really great for players who enjoy fantasy themes and want their game to feel like a magical adventure. If you want to try this amazing texture pack, the link to this texture pack is in the description below. Installing it is easy. Just download the file, move it to your Minecraft Resource Packs folder, and select it in the game settings. Don't miss out on this amazing experience. Make your Minecraft world look like never before with the Mythic Resource Pack. The link to this texture pack is in the description below, so make sure to check it out and give it a try. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more awesome Minecraft content. Your support helps us keep bringing cool stuff like this. And of course, one last reminder, the link to this texture pack is in the description below. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.